What is an AI agent? AI agents are becoming one of the most important concepts in modern artificial intelligence, especially as automation and autonomous systems continue to grow. But what exactly is an AI agent, and how is it different from regular AI tools? An AI agent is a type of artificial intelligence system designed to take actions on its own in order to achieve a specific goal. Instead of just responding to questions or generating content, an AI agent can observe its environment, make decisions, and perform tasks automatically. In simple terms, an AI agent doesn't just give answers, it does things. So how does an AI agent work? An AI agent operates in a loop. First, it perceives information from its environment. This could be data from software, user input, sensors, or online systems. Next, it decides what action to take based on its goal and the information it has. Then, it acts by carrying out that decision. After acting, it evaluates the result and repeats the process. This perception decision action cycle allows AI agents to operate continuously without constant human input. For example, an AI customer support agent might monitor incoming messages, decide which responses are appropriate, send replies automatically, and escalate issues when needed. An AI trading agent might monitor market data, make buy or sell decisions, and execute trades based on predefined strategies. AI agents often combine multiple AI technologies. They may use machine learning to make predictions, natural language processing to understand text, and automation tools to carry out actions. Some advanced agents can even break large goals into smaller tasks and complete them step by step. You can think of an AI agent like a digital employee. Instead of waiting for instructions every time, it understands its objective and works toward it independently. AI agents are already being used in many areas. Businesses use them to automate customer service, scheduling, data analysis, and workflow management. In software development, AI agents help test code and manage systems. In robotics, AI agents control machines that navigate and interact with the physical world. AI agents matter because they represent a shift from passive AI to autonomous AI. This allows organizations to scale operations, reduce manual work, and operate continuously around the clock. Tasks that once required constant human attention can now be handled automatically. However, AI agents also raise important concerns. Because they can act independently, mistakes can happen at scale. Poorly designed agents may make incorrect decisions, cause system errors, or create unintended consequences. This is why clear rules, safeguards, and human oversight are critical. There are also ethical considerations. As AI agents become more capable, questions arise about accountability, transparency, and control. Understanding how and why an agent makes decisions becomes increasingly important. Despite these challenges, AI agents are expected to play a major role in the future of work and technology. As systems become smarter and more reliable, AI agents will handle more complex tasks across industries. In simple terms, an AI agent is an artificial intelligence system that can observe, decide, and act on its own to achieve goals. It's one of the most powerful developments in AI, and it's shaping the future of automation and autonomous systems.